All right, so let's solve this question together. So let's express this one in the form of a plus b with r. Okay, let me put it here. We want to express this one as a plus b with r. Okay, all right, so let's get started. All right, okay, so let's observe the set. We have root 2 here, we have root 3 here, so root 6 with 6. All right, so let's divide 150 by 6 and see if we get a perfect square. Okay, so 150 divided by 6 will give us 25. Okay, all right, so this side will be 25 times 6 plus, so we have anytime we are given x with y times b with m, so this one will multiply this, so we have xb, then those under the square root also multiply, so we have ym. Okay, so we have 3 times 4 12, and root 2 times root 3, that will give us 6. Okay, plus, now we can expand the brackets. The coefficient here is 1, so 2 times 1 is 2. Root 6 times root 6. Now when we're given root a times root a is a. Okay, so this time that is 6 minus, so this one times this, there is no square root attached to this, so it will affect the coefficient, so 9 to 18 with 6. All right, so this side is 25 times with 6, so we can open this one plus 12 with 6. I think we are getting with 6 in common, plus 6 to 12 minus 18 with 6. All right, okay, so this one is a perfect square, so have 5 times root 6, so 5 root 6 plus 12 root 6 plus 12 minus 18 root 6. Now when we're given a with r plus b with r plus c plus m with r, so we just group them. Okay, so this one will be a with r plus m with r plus b with r plus c, so have a plus m plus b, since they all bear the same thing here, so a plus m plus b with r plus c. Okay, so we have 17 here, 5 12, then minus 18. Very careful. We have 5 with 6, 12 with 6, minus 18 with 6, so this one is without the set here, so plus 12. All right, so let's look at 6. Okay, we have 6 here. So we have 5 plus 12 minus 18, 6 plus 12. So we have 5 plus 12, that is 17. So 17 minus 18 will be minus 1. So we have minus 1 with 6 plus 12. So remember, we are writing our answer in the form of a plus b. So let's arrange this one well. So we have 12 minus with 6. Okay, 12 minus with 6 as our answer. All right.